Evans, self-employed of Wairoa, also a sitting councillor of Wairoa. This is a very sad day for Wairoa, the last train going through, but it isn't the last train because my sign says that. We're still working on it, and I'm hoping that by next year we can maybe reinstate this rail. At the moment the government is running for cover. We can't get hold of them. The mayor's tried to get hold of them. All the mayors, Gisborne mayors, try to get hold of them. Everyone's running for cover. Our local MP, well, he's missing in action as well. It's not good. We're just trying, actually at the moment, we're trying to get more and more coming onto this rail, and we were succeeding. But unfortunately, the time's run out. But Jim Quinn of the rail has said that they're not going to take the signals out till February. So there is still a chance that this rail can last maybe a year. So by the middle of next year, we're hoping we can get it reinstated. The worry I've got is also that the sawmill over here has got 20 jobs, and the guy's going to have problems shifting it by road. So the rail is by far more efficient. Wairoa can't last the way we're going with all the job losses we're getting, and this is just one more nail in the coffin. This road at the moment from Gisborne to Wairoa is an absolute mess. It needs replacing. It needs a lot of money spent on it. The Wairoa road to Napier isn't too bad at the moment, but with what's going to happen now in 3 or 4 years time with the logging coming from up the line there's going to be an extra 102 trucks on the road, which makes 450,000 units a year trundling through Wairoa, which could be, well, it's a safety hazard again because the roads can't actually take it. But again, the land transport seems to think that there's not going to be a problem with the roads. You just got to drive up the Gisborne Road now and you have a look at it. My dream is that have the steam train running here, also have freight, but the steam train, if we could get a steam train or a diesel running here, bringing passengers up here to Wairoa, it would be great because we got the lake. We're trying to get State Highway 38, try to get it tar sealed. I mean, it will bring more and more tourism here, which we need. I mean, when I came to this town 22 years ago, there was close to 13,000 people. Now there's only 6,500, 7,000 at the most.